Dimitri, you practice there in California. A highly unusual situation, a former defense attorney being asked to testify against a former client.
Yes, it is highly unusual that a defense attorney becomes a witness, or any attorney becomes a witness. I think that when I was a prosecutor, as well as now as a defense attorney, I'm always very cautious that if a witness calls me on the telephone or I need to go out to a crime scene, I don't do that alone without an investigator present. Now, what happened here is Ms. Kaplan was basically present during gathering of evidence, and by being so present, she made herself a witness to the actual gathering process. And so when she was subpoenaed to court and testified, it was clear that not only was she a witness, but she was recipient to the recovery of the missing evidence. And this is not something that's covered by attorney-client privilege. It's not a communication between her and her former client, but rather it's relevant testimony about the gathering of scientific evidence in this case, which is so highly relevant to whether or not Phil Spector possibly pulled the trigger.